If you are having trouble receiving text messages on your Galaxy S23, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. First, make sure that you have a strong cellular signal. Poor signal reception can affect message delivery. Move to a location with better network coverage if needed. Next, restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary network glitches. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down key for a couple of seconds, then select restart and confirm it. After the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed. If the first two solutions fail, then try removing and reinserting your SIM card. This will make sure that it's properly seated in your phone. These 3 simple solutions are often enough to fix a problem like this. However, if your phone still can't receive text messages after that, then you should try resetting the network settings or calling your service provider. It's possible that the problem is with the network and not your phone, especially if the issue started without apparent reason. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.